If you've ever spent time with dolphins, you might have noticed they're not your typical animals. They seem almost human-like in their curiosity, playfulness, and friendliness. But it's their intelligence that truly sets them apart. In this episode, we'll explore what makes dolphins super intelligent. Let's dive in. The neocortex is linked to higher order thinking, while the limbic system is connected to emotions and memory. In fact, dolphins have the second largest brain relative to their body size among all vertebrates, right after humans. First, let's look at their brains. Dolphins have big brains, especially their neocortex and limbic system. But brain size alone doesn't tell the whole story. So let's look at some of the things dolphins can do that show how smart they are. They are self-aware. Dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror, which means they understand that they are separate from their surroundings and have their own existence. Some researchers even think that dolphins have unique signature whistles that act like names. They love to play with objects, surf waves just for fun, and act silly around people and other animals. Play behavior is often linked to intelligence and advanced cognitive abilities. They have large, complex brains and exhibit traits of emotional, social, and cognitive intelligence. We've got lots of other fascinating topics to cover. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious. Thanks for watching. Scientists estimate that a dolphin's intelligence is comparable to that of a human toddler. So the next time you see a dolphin, remember that there's a lot more going on in that adorable head of theirs than meets the eye. Just like we call each other by name, dolphins might use these whistles to refer to themselves or others. They can copy human actions, learn from each other, and understand symbolic language systems. Some dolphins in captivity can even recognize themselves in the mirror, just like us humans. This kind of self-awareness is rare in the animal world. Only a few species like humans, elephants, and great apes exhibit this behavior. Dolphins are chatty. They use lots of clicks, whistles, and body movements to communicate. They're problem solvers. Scientists have watched dolphins using marine sponges to shield their snouts while searching for food on the ocean floor. This shows that dolphins use tools and can solve problems in clever ways. They're also quick learners. Dolphins can figure out how to do new things and change their behavior when the situation calls for it. Dolphins are social creatures who live in tight-knit groups called pods. They show empathy towards each other, helping out injured or sick members. They also cooperate to catch prey and have different ways of communicating, cooperating, and passing knowledge down through generations. Some researchers even believe that dolphins have their own distinct cultures. Dolphins are fire playful. They can play it in Circus and Fire too. Finally, dolphins are great at imitating and learning new things. In a nutshell, dolphins are super intelligent. If you enjoyed this episode and want to support our channel, please subscribe.